If you are looking for a productivity-centric laptop that is portable, then say hello to the Lenovo Ideapad 330. The onyx black lid has a simplistic design with the Lenovo logo at the top left corner. Lift the lid and you are greeted with a 15.6-inch HD LED backlit anti-glare TN display. The Lenovo Ideapad 330 weighs 2.2 kilograms and the accompanying power brick is small and compact, making it the ideal traveler's companion. The 15-inch form factor makes the laptop easy and lightweight to carry in backpacks or a sling bag. The Lenovo Ideapad 330 has a chiclet-style keyboard. The layout of the keyboard is for those that will spend a lot of time typing. The keyboard also has a dedicated number pad. The keyboard and trackpad are surrounded with a textured onyx black finish. Below the keyboard, we have the trackpad. You do not have a physical left and right click as they are integrated into the trackpad to give it a seamless look. Moving to the connectivity options, on the left, the laptop has the power socket, Ethernet port, HDMI out, 2 USB 3 ports, a headphones combo jack, one USB 3 Type-C port and an SD card reader. On the right, the device has a Kensington lock. Speaking of the audio, the speakers are integrated on the front edge of the laptop. You have two speakers for a stereo audio experience. At the bottom, the laptop has 4 rubber feet, which gives the machine grip when kept on a table. This ensures that the laptop remains firmly stable during those long typing sessions. The laptop also boasts of an HD 720p webcam and Bluetooth connectivity options along with Wi-Fi. The 2-cell battery is non-removable and Lenovo claims that the battery can last up to 6 hours. That is enough juice to get work done or enjoy a couple of movies. When it comes to the specifications, the laptop has an 8th generation Intel Core i5 CPU coupled with 8GB of RAM and 1TB hard drive. The 1TB hard drive ensures that you have enough space to store your entire movies and music library along with productivity files. The resolution of the 15.6-inch display is 1366 by 768, which is enough to work on spreadsheets and watch videos. The display of the laptop can tilt a full 180 degrees, giving you the freedom of tilting the laptop to your desired angle. The specifications of the laptop ensure ease of multitasking, the ability to have numerous tabs open on a browser. Considering the specifications of the laptop, you can use it for day-to-day productivity. You can also get some productivity apps functioning on the device like Photoshop, along with some basic gaming thanks to the 2GB NVIDIA GeForce MX150 graphics card in the laptop. The NVIDIA MX150 supercharges your laptop for work and gaming. With this dedicated GPU, you can get faster performance when compared to the integrated graphics. This was a quick overview of all the features on offer on the Lenovo Ideapad 330 laptop.